Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a request timed out on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're experiencing this error message, and again, it's a connection timed out message, this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by just opening up the search menu. Type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flash DNS. Flash DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to run that command. It should say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock winsock space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen here. Go ahead and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. That should have been able to resolve your problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.